To be able to play in a professional league, you have to secure a license. Di ba?
Yeah.
Diba? May
GOB
license.
license.
May GOB
GOB.
license. Pag wala kang GOB license, pwedeng pumasok si commissioner. Wala kang GOB license. Secure first. Kasi this is a professional league and we cannot allow players to play without the license. Okay. Ngayon, balik rin natin. May lisensya naman. Ha? Pare.
Oh,
Hindi
yes,
mo naman
agree ako
pwedeng pigilan.
Correct.
Oy,
Agree ako dyan.
hindi ka pwedeng maglaro. Bakit? May lisensya ako.
Yes.
Baka mahabla kita, baka ma-technical kita. Ibig mo sabihin, mas mataas ka sa national agency na nagbigay sa akin ng pribilehiyo
lisensya.
na maglaro, being professional. So that was the predicament sa PSL. So I was the commissioner. Naku, paano ba to? How do we remedy this? And yung mga owners, yung mga higher-ups ko rin, Commissioner, solusyonan mo yan. Kasi ang daming comments left and right eh. Okay. So sabi ko, ministerial and may lisensya, pumunta po tayo sa ganitong notion, idea na equal opportunity for all. Yan.
Oo.
So pinalaro namin yan.
Mhm.
Okay? First game ni Longbam. Okay. Hindi maganda. Stagnant ang offense. Tapos I was interviewed. Sabi ko, stagnant ang offense. Wala nangyayari. Siya na yung tinitignan. Hanggang umabot yung nag-post siya na gusto mo, mag-one-on-one na lang tayo eh. Ayun, so pinatawag ko. Okay? Tapos sabi ko, hindi ganon. Sige, moving forward, okay, second game, the more, pare, nung first game pala, medyo limited time ha. Tapos napapansin ko, dumadami na yung time, second game, medyo mahaba-haba na, pero takbo lang ng takbo, parang wala talaga eh. Okay? Then ito na, nung 4 and 5 games niya, okay, sinulatan na namin siya. Okay? Yung team niya. Okay? Siyempre, equal opportunity, may lisensya ka, hindi namin pwedeng galawin, pero nandun kami, tinitingnan namin kung ikaw ba yung laro mo ba at par, kumbaga yung ba nakukuha mo ba yung laro ng isang professional. Okay? So, he wasn't able to live up to the standards of being a professional player. So, sinulatan namin yung team. Nandiyan, nakikita ninyo, pakilagay dyan, nandiyan yung aming sulat. That was last year, 2025. Pare, actually, sinagot na natin ito last year. This is a recycled issue na eh. Okay? Pero siyempre, baka iba hindi alam, at ko rin pinalaro, okay? Ngayon, sinasabi ko na po yung yung dahilan, okay? Nagdesisyon kami, ayan. And from then on, hindi na siya naglaro. So natapos ang issue, okay? Class dismiss siya noon. Di ba? Okay.